The Cloud Who Wanted to Shine. A short moral story. In the vast blue sky, there floated a small gray cloud named Callie. She watched the golden sun glow brightly and the stars twinkle at night, and she whispered every day, "I wish I could shine like them." But every time Callie tried to shine, the sun outshone her, and at night, the stars stole the spotlight. She felt dull, overlooked, and useless. One summer afternoon, the land below grew dry and the flowers wilted. The sun blazed fiercely, and the animals searched for shade. Callie saw the thirsty earth and felt a tug in her heart. Gathering all her strength, Callie filled herself with water and drifted over the fields. With a rumble and a splash, she showered the land with cool, gentle rain. The flowers perked up. The grass turned green. The animals danced in puddles. Everyone cheered, "Hooray for the cloud who saved the day." Callie smiled wide. She didn't need to shine like the sun or sparkle like a star. Her kindness made her special. Moral: you don't need to shine like others to be important. Being helpful and kind brings your own kind of light. Thank you for watching.